Assalamualaikum everyone, hope so you all are fine and doing well. Today we will do numerical 7.7 to 7.10. In numerical 7.7, a sound system produces 200 watt, power equals to 200 watt if sound is directed at a crowd with area of 1 meter square, 150 मीटर स्क्वायर. एक जगह पर क्राउड है, एरिया उधर दिया गया उस क्राउड का कि इतना कवर किया हुआ उस क्राउड ने, एरिया इक्वल्स टू 150 मीटर स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज़ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ साउंड? आई फाइंड करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आई इक्वल्स टू पी ओवर ए. P equals to 200 divided by A equals to 150. After dividing both, I equals to 1.33 watt per meter square is our answer. In B part of this numerical, a light bulb emits 100 watt of power. It means power given MAP equals to 100 watt. Area is given, area equals to 400 meter square. Again we have to find intensity of light in B part. Formula of intensity I equals to P over A. P equals to 100 divided by 400. Our answer is 0.25 watt per meter square. In next numerical, a radio antenna broadcasts 500 watt. Power equals to 500 watt. If signal is received at a distance of 10 kilometer, radius equals to 10 kilometer. We have to convert kilometer into meters. 10,000 meter. What is intensity of signal? I equal to question mark. As formula of I equals to, according to this scenario, I equals to P divided by 4 pi r square. Put the values in it. 500 divided by 4 pi r 10,000 square हो जाएगा. After solving it, our answer is 3.98 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 watt per meter square. We have to approximate more. So answer is 4 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 watt per meter square. In next numerical 7.9, an organ pipe has a length L equals to 1 meter. We know speed of sound V equals to 340 meter per second. In A part, pipe open both ends. दोनों साइड से पाइप भी ओपन है. So frequency equals to V by 2L. V equals to 340 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Our answer is 170 Hertz. Next, for second harmonic, F2 equals to 2F1. Put values in it. 2 multiplied by 170, which is equal to 340 Hertz. For third harmonic, F3 equals to 3F1. 3 multiplied by 170, which is equal to 510 Hertz. A part complete. For next B part, pipe close at one end. So formula is F1 equals to V by 4L. F1 equals to 85 Hertz is our answer. For second harmonic, F2 equals to 3F1. Put values in it. F2 equals to 255 Hertz. For third harmonic, F3 equals to 5F1. Put value in it. Our answer is 425 Hertz. For next numerical 7.10, a train is approaching a station. Speed is given speed of train equals to 90 km per hour, which is equal to 90 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600 equal to 25 meter per second. Frequency is given, frequency equals to 1000 hertz. Speed of sound equals to 340 meter per second. In A part, we have to find train approaching. F dash equals to V divided by V minus S into F. As V equals to 340 divided by 340 minus 25 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 1079.4 hertz. Train in next part B, train moving away. How much far? V F dash equals to V divided by V plus Vs into F. Put values in it. 340 divided by 340 plus 25 multiply by 1000. 340 divided by 365 multiply by 1000, which is equal to 931.5 hertz.